Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. I am very happy to see you. Right now I will say that organic produce dramatically reduces dietary exposure to pesticides. That's that. But they do not eliminate completely the potential risk. And here's why. If, let's say, 10 organic crop samples were tested, one of them will have pesticide residues. Well, how could that possibly happen? First of all, there could be cross-contamination from, say, neighboring fields, because sometimes really one field will be growing organic produce and right one next to it conventional. So go figure. Now, there could be the reason of the continued presence of persistent pesticides. There is one DDT and it's in the soil, so there is pretty much nothing you can do about it. Also, the use of pesticides could be fraudulent or accidental. So here is that. This is the fact, we have to deal with it. But anyway, by choosing organic, one definitely hopes to really protect oneself from uncertain risks of pesticides. Right, so this is good, but for example, organic produce could be really expensive if you think about it. And if you want to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, it might really cost you a penny. In this case, it's very important to remember this thing, that there is a clear consensus in the scientific community that the health benefits from consuming fruits and vegetables outweigh any potential risks from pesticide residue. So because it doesn't mean that if you cannot afford organic produce, you are not buying a certain product. I would say the best guidance is clean 15 and dirty dozen. Say strawberries, doesn't even make sense to buy them when they're not organic or not in season because they don't even taste like strawberries. It's just like you're eating paper. But some other things, definitely you can buy not organic. It doesn't mean everything's supposed to be organic. Carrots, organic carrots, for example, are not even a lot more expensive than the non-organic variety. And same goes with salads, for example, and cucumbers. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.